Question 14. Sweets are available from 2 different shops. Each shop has a special offer. Shop A, 300 grams, a third off normal price of £1.80. Shop B, 400 grams, 20% off normal price of £2.10. Which shop is better value for money? So there are a number of ways we can do this question. Okay, so if I did this question again another time, maybe I would do it differently. So that's the first thing I want to say, which is that you can solve this question in many different ways. So what I am thinking of is 300 grams and 400 grams. So we need to make them the same. Okay, that's one way. The other way we could do is we work out the price of this, and then we see if we can compare the grams by themselves. So let's do it that way. So 300 grams, a third off normal price of that. So 300 grams, so a third off. So £1.80. So shop A, £1.80 divided by 3. Okay, so that gives me 3 goes, or if you think about this one, 18 divided by 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 is 6. So this is going to be 0.6. Okay, now that's a third off the normal price. So what we need to do is we need to do 1.8, take away 0.6. That gives me 1.8 take away 6 is 2. So £1.20. That's shop A. Let's look at shop B. Shop B, 400 grams, 20% off normal price of £2.10. So let's do £2.10. All right, to avoid the decimal place, let's just turn this into 210 for now. So that's 100%. Okay, I'm just going to rewrite this. 100% equals 210. 20% off normal. So the easy one to do is we get to 10% because we divide by 10. Is 21. Divide by 10 on both sides. And we want to get to 20%. So we now need to times it by 2. So that's 42. So 20% equals 42. So 20% off the normal price. So this in terms of pounds is 0.42. So off, so I need to do a subtraction. £2.10 take away 0.42 gives me, I'm going to put this on as place value, 210 take away 42. Take away 42, so borrow the 1, that becomes 0. 10 take away 2 is 8, that's a 0, so this becomes a 1. 10 take away 4 is 6, and 1. So this becomes 1.68. Okay, so shop B, so 400 grams equals 1.68. And so this is shop B. I'm just going to write this out here. And the other one was this one here, shop A, which was 300 grams equals £1.20. So now I'm going to put them next to each other so I can kind of start looking at these. Yep, it's a 4-mark question. So I'm going to put these next to each other. So I've got 300 grams equals £1.20. 400 grams equals £1.60. 68. So now I need to make the grams equal. So I can see both of them go into 12. So I can change this to 1200 grams, and this can be 1200 grams. So I need to multiply this by 4, multiply this by 4, multiply this by 3, and I multiply this by 3 as well. And then I'll be able to compare which one is cheaper. So this can be timesing it by 2, which is 2.4, then timesing it by 2 again is 4.8. So this becomes £4.80. Alright, so times by 2 gives me times by 4. This one I can't do it in a similar way in my head, so I'll probably have to do long multiplication. So I'm going to do the place value. So I'm just going to show you how do we do this on a non-calculator paper. 168 times by 3. I prefer the grid method, the Gelosia method, but I think you're more familiar with this, so I'm going to use this method. 8 times 3, 8, 16, 24. 3 times 6 is 18, plus the 2, 19, 20. Carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 2 is 5. So 504. Remember, there's 2 place values, so this becomes 5.04. So now you can see which one is better value. Better value means which one is cheaper. So the better value is 4.8. So we need to answer the question. Shop A is better value. So I have answered the question.